Greeting, this is Mark, bro. We're going to be looking at this thumb drive here and how we can actually put information on this thumb drive here on the computer, right? But when you plug it in, how you're going to find it and all that is very important. So we're going to plug it into the side of the computer. So notice that SanDisk, right? So very important. So I'm going to be guiding you through that particular process there. So notice I actually plug it into the computer. So when I put it into the computer, what I wanted to do definitely here, right here, this file explorer right here, I'm going to click on it. So when I click on it, there it go, and this bring up this particular window here. So the next thing that I wanted to do to go to the left of my screen, and then this is where this PC. I'm going to click on this PC. Notice when I click on this PC, you notice it's a 4 devices, and this itself is my top drive. Right, so I'm going to put the cursor directly on it. I'm going to right click. While I'm going to right click, it's going to bring up this little window here. So I'm going to click on the word open. So now I click on the word open. Now there you go. These are what on the thumb drive. Right, so what I wanted to do right here, I'm going to actually maximize it right there. So this file here, I want to put it on the thumb drive. But how can I put it on thumb drive? I can put the cursor directly right here. I'm going to right click. Right click, you're going to bring up this little window here. Right here, it says send to. You notice when I put it on send to, you notice this is set to the thumb drive. So I'm going to click it. Alright, and notice it show it actually loading here 48%. So far you can click this so far it take time to get it. If you notice, this is self with the video over here. Right, you're going to try again with this other here. You're going to right click here on it. Very important. So when you right click, you're going to come right here, say send to. You're going to come right down here, so thumb drive, you're going to click. Alright, if you notice, it's showing that it actually copying one item. You notice, there you go. Right, so what if you want to take it off? What can you do? Right, you can actually come like this and drag it out, just like that, and so replace destination. I drag it out and it can just get a copy of it outside. But if you want to take it out completely, you want to right click. So when you right click, you're going to click cut, put it outside here. I'm going to click right cut. Right, and then it's a replace destination. Why? Because one out there actually stays the same. Alright, just the same. Alright, if you notice it's actually out here, so you want to get back this outside now. Right, so let me move this one that it don't conflict with it here. Right, so therefore we want to get this out now. We're going to right click on it. When you right click on it, you're going to go down to the word cut. You're going to come out here, so on the broad desktop, and you're going to right click. And you're going to click paste. Right, you notice? Good, and that's exactly how you take it off of the desktop. Right, and if you want to put it on it, what you can do, you can simply drag it like this, drag it and come right here, and just let it go. And it's exactly, if you notice right here, it's actually showing that it's actually loading, and there you go. Right, and that's exactly. So what if you want to delete it after the desktop? You can right click, just like that. You go down, here to the red delete, you're going to click here, and you say yes, you say, are you sure you want to permanently delete it? I'm going to click right here and say yes. Yes, and that's exactly how I normally do it. Right, so very important here. So you can click this and come back up. Right, and this will carry right back there to this particular section. Right, if you want to know how much here, you notice right here, it show you 7.43 gigabyte. Otherwise, you can right click. On right click, you go down to property. When you go down to property, this is what it show you. Right, free space, and show you how much actually use up already. That's very important here. So I hope you have learned something from this small course here. Right, but before, bear in mind, you don't just drag the thumb drive like that. You're going to come right here. You notice, and click at this little arrow here that turn up down in the taskbar, because some person just try it out completely, and that can actually either damage it or something can actually lose data. Right, now this is every thumb drive. And click on it. You notice it says eject. Right, and I click. What it will show you, it will tell you safely take it out. Right, but if you notice, if you come like this and click back on it, you notice you don't see it definitely actually out. Alright, so I hope you have learned something from this video here. and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.